Today, witnesses testified in the trial of individual Ilgar Rzaev presided over by Judge Turgay Huseynov. The first witness, Detective Adam Abdullayev, said that he had found drugs in Ilgar Rzaev's apartment. Ilgar's mother, Shirinbaji Rzaeva, told the court that the police officers who conducted the search had not introduced themselves and exerted psychological pressure on her family members during the search. Rzaeva says at first she thought they were from the Baku executive power and their arrival related to property issues. Rzaeva insists that the drugs were planted in their apartment by the police. She believes that her son's arrest is connected with her participation and outspokenness in protest actions against property rights violations. Lawyer Esabali Mustafayev announced that the detention reports are unfounded and cannot be used as evidence, thus they must be withdrawn. The judge said he would take into account the petitions when making the decision and postpone the case until August 31, 2:30 p.m. to hear speeches of the parties. Ilgar Rzaev was arrested on May 11, 2012 and was charged under Article 234.1 drug possession. Once convicted, he could be sentenced to 3 years in jail.